Hi, I'm Scott, Beacon Lighting's Product Innovation Director. My design philosophy is focused on functionality, aiming to create lighting that is useful and easy to live with. And being able to accomplish this with creative innovation that is a process that starts with people that you're designing for and ends with a new solution that is purpose-built to suit their needs. Exterior lighting brings facades and outdoor spaces to life. Besides the decorative nature of exterior lighting, it's the security aspects that I find intriguing. As a designer, I'm always putting myself in my customers' shoes and elevating their needs. Everyone wants to feel safe and secure, especially in and around their homes, and they want to be able to do this simply and easily. With the basic aspiration of my customer, I aim to design a light that not only provided that sense of security my customers were looking for, but in an intelligent way. GuardLink is the perfect embodiment of my particular design approach. A clean, simple, intrepid form that delivers on function, seamlessly integrates the needs of people, the possibilities of technology, and a creative approach to problem solving. GuardLink is intelligent lighting, without needing to be part of a complex, expensive smart home system. Inspired by the interconnecting smoke alarms, where if one goes off, all smoke alarms get activated, it's the gold standard in fire safety inside the home. I wanted to replicate this with safety outside of the home through security lighting, as well as give people their own personal network of security. The guard range, where one guard detects movement and puts all the other guards on alert. This cutting-edge technology allows lights to communicate with each other wirelessly. One light activates all. When one security light detects motion, within 10 metres, all lights on the network activate. This helps to adequately light the path all the way to the destination, without walking into a dark zone and waiting for the next sensor to activate. This is essential for when returning home late at night, navigating steps in the garden and deterring intruders by eliminating dark corners to hide. Come into Beacon Lighting and let our team show you the latest in security lighting and our exclusive GuardLink series, which is available in 1 and 2 light options.